Number 10. Fish Pedicure. Ooh, that tickles! Kendall Jenner is just one of many celebrities who are fans of letting little Gararufa fish nibble on their feet.
It was a funny moment. We loved it though.
These little critters will eat away at your dead skin. Bon appetit! They don't have teeth, so you won't have to worry about them biting you. But the water may not be disinfected between customers, which means you could end up with nail fungus or athlete's foot. Yuck! If you think fish pedicures are fishy, there are far weirder beauty trends out there that some celebrities swear by. Ready for your glow up? This is Your Body On, the 10 weirdest celebrity beauty trends. Number 9. Vampire Facial. This beauty practice doesn't involve getting bitten on the neck and waking up in a coffin somewhere. But it's just as bloody. And Kim Kardashian is a big fan.
Yes. I love it.
It involves drawing blood from your arm and then separating out the platelet-rich plasma.
It's plasma.
Right.
Then what's left is injected over and over into your face. Ouch! The treatment is believed to improve skin elasticity, volume, and texture. Unfortunately, immortality isn't one of its benefits. Number 8. Blood Moisturizer. Speaking of blood, how about a little moisturizer? The same doctor that developed the Vampire Facial is also responsible for this treatment used by model Hailey Bieber. After the blood is extracted, the plasma and white blood cells are separated and added to a cream. This cream is supposed to have anti-aging properties, but will put you back $1,400 per treatment. That may be a lot of dough, but it's no caviar. Number 7. Caviar Body Treatment. Caviar may be one of the most expensive foods, but for Angelina Jolie, it's her go-to skin treatment. She used it to help prevent stretch marks during her pregnancies. Omega-3 fatty acids found in the fish eggs are antioxidants that can firm and moisturize your skin. But you don't eat this caviar.
I really do love me some caviar.
Extract from the fish eggs is smeared over your skin. However, the treatment can leave a greasy residue that leads to zits. I'd skip this one if you have a fish allergy. But if you're looking for something even more lavish, say no more. Number 6. 24-karat gold face mask. If caviar is too lowbrow for you, you could try the 24-karat gold face mask.
Hi guys, it's Arena.
Used by model Irena Shayk, this treatment supposedly improves skin elasticity and reduces wrinkle depth. Although it may have some antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, there is no scientific evidence that gold is any more effective than more common and less expensive skincare ingredients. Number 5. Gold Bee Venom Facial. If you're determined to cover yourself in gold, you might want to try the Gold Bee Venom Facial, like Cameron Diaz. Bee venom has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can relax facial muscles, break down cell membranes, and improve circulation. The facial begins with microdermabrasion to remove dead skin cells. Then bee venom and gold serum are applied to the face, followed by a blast of pure oxygen. Your face is then covered with 24-karat gold leaf and a mask made of gold hyaluronic acid and collagen. If you don't have the $1,400 needed for a treatment, you can do what the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton, does and avoid the gold. Or you could grow a bee beard. Just don't die. Number 4. Sleeping like a corpse. If you don't like wasting your money on unproven treatments, you could always follow Jennifer Lopez's example and just sleep on your back. On average, most people lie in 20 different positions during a night's sleep. To stay on her back, J-Lo surrounds herself with pillows to keep her in place. Doing this, she says, is a great way to avoid lines. It prevents pressing your face against the pillow, which can cause wrinkles over time. But don't do this if you snore or have sleep apnea. When this is the case, it's better for you to sleep on your side, as it opens up your airways, allowing you to breathe better. Number 3. Snail Slime Skincare. Actor Katie Holmes uses a gel on her skin that features snail mucus extract as its main ingredient. The product is based on a $250 Japanese treatment in which snails drag their slimy bodies across your face. Sounds lovely. The mucus reportedly contains components beneficial for smoothing and healing your skin. I'd be worried one might fall into my mouth. After all, it'll be wide open, screaming. And I prefer my escargot cooked.
These are really good.
Number 2. Urine Facial. Sure, while urine may be sterile, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory, that doesn't mean I want pee on my face.
Wait a second.
Multi-talented Vanessa Williams is reportedly a fan of this treatment.
I think that's a game changer.
It involves peeing into a sterile cup, dabbing a cotton pad, and then rubbing it over your face. Thanks, but no thanks. You're supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes, rinse it off with soap and water, and then moisturize. According to True Believers, P-levers, the treatment hydrates the skin and removes dead skin cells.
It wasn't bad, yeah.
Urine is safe to use on your skin as long as it's your own urine and you're not prone to urinary tract infections, have diabetes, or take medications that could react to the treatment. So parents, be careful. Number 1. Leech Therapy. Hollywood's Demi Moore revealed in 2008 that she had undergone leech therapy as part of a cleanse. Leeches have been used for medical purposes as far back as ancient Egypt. When you're bitten by a leech, it releases anticoagulants into your bloodstream to prevent clogging. This increases blood flow, which can be beneficial. It's been used to treat hypertension, varicose veins, and skin problems. If you decide you want to try this, don't just jump into a random lake. This should only be done by professionals using medical-grade leeches to prevent the risk of bacterial infection. If none of these celebrity beauty trends are extreme enough for you, we'll show you some of the most jaw-dropping surgical makeovers on another episode of Your Body On.